Which one is correct? We will go after a week or we will go in a week? My birthday is at 13th March or my birthday is on 13th March? Hi, I am Aditya, your fun learning coach who's going to take you on a journey to become a confident communicator. So let's start our journey. In this course video, we are going to talk about the common mistakes which we make while using the prepositions with days, weeks, months and seasons. So first of all, let's talk about days. We use preposition on with days. Sometimes we try to use the preposition at with days, which is totally wrong. Let's check out an example. Rohan went to gym on Sunday. In this example, we are using the preposition on with Sunday. It will be wrong to say that Rohan went to gym at Sunday. Now let's talk about weeks. We use preposition in with week. Sometimes we use preposition after with week, which is totally wrong. Let's understand this with an example. Shekhar will buy a new car in a week. In this example, we will use the preposition in with week. In a week means after a time period of 1 week. It will be wrong to say that Shekhar will buy a new car after a week. Now let's talk about months. We use preposition in with months. Sometimes we use preposition at with months, which is totally wrong. Let's try to understand this with an example. Shreya will go to Jaipur in November. In this example, we are using the preposition in with November. It will be wrong to say that Shreya will go to Jaipur at November. Now let's talk about seasons. We use preposition in with seasons. Sometimes we use preposition at with seasons, which is wrong. Let's check an example. Janav will go to Sikkim in summer. In this example, we are using the preposition in with summer. It will be wrong to say that Janav will go to Sikkim at summer. Now you try and tell which one is correct. We will go after a week or we will go in a week? Yes, we will go in a week is the correct sentence. Let's try one more. My birthday is at 13th March or my birthday is on 13th March. Yes, my birthday is on 13th March is the correct sentence. Time to practice what we have learned today. Choose the correct option in the given sentences. You can pause the screen and answer it. These are the correct answers on your screen. You can check your answers. These were the common mistakes which we make while using the prepositions with days, weeks, months, and seasons. I hope you will not make these mistakes again. Similarly, there are many other common mistakes which we make. Want to know about them? Then you should watch my next course video. Keep learning and keep shining. To start speaking with confidence, download the Planet Spark app. The link is in the description below.